training, 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 training. This is where I see most of our law firm clients. They don't put enough time in it, and then they grow so big that they're so far behind really good training. And that is the key. If you go to any Fortune 500 company, when you're talking about sales and production, you come in on day one, they have massive training program that's 2 weeks long, that is 8 hours a
Right.
day, and they get up and going fast. And when they lose someone, they don't care as much. And I'm not saying that's what you want your culture to be, but it'd be nice to not fear losing someone, because if you can get someone in easy, train them up, or don't have to pay top dollar every single time for somebody, it's going to help your ROI. So training, training, training. You got to have your team help you build the trainings, like your new admin. She's going to have to start doing the KPIs, and then also having to start building the trainings for the new staff that's coming in, have the staff help her build certain trainings. And so you need to definitely start doing that now. You have to have the training, or you're always going to have to pay for top level talent. And that's not always great, because sometimes they come with this diva attitude and mentality, and it's hard to untrain that stuff. I got a client right now that is just getting destroyed with somebody who just is a complete diva and wants to be overpaid for their production.